Tractors have traditionally been used on farms to mechanize several agricultural tasks. Modern tractors are used for plowing, tilling, and planting fields in addition to routine lawn care, landscape maintenance, mowing and spreading fertilizers, and clearing bushes. Tractors offer advantages on small farms as well as in regular lawn and garden work. Tractors are available in a wide range of options to suit specific tasks and requirements. Subcompact or compact tractors available in a horsepower range of 15 HP to 40 HP are ideal for heavy-duty landscaping jobs and tasks such as digging, hauling or plowing on large gardens, fields and pastures. A smaller version of compact tractors, subcompact tractors, have the power and versatility to perform a large range of gardening tasks including mowing, moving mulch and tilling gardens. Compact tractors are a small version of utility tractors and are ideal for landscaping tasks. Also known as diesel tractors, utility tractors are recommended for mechanizing complex farming tasks and come in different models with a horsepower range of 45 HP to 110 HP. A wide range of farming implements can be attached to utility tractors to help accomplish various jobs. Though available in a wide range of models, modern tractors are designed and manufactured to offer versatility in performing a wide range of tasks. Compact tractors can accomplish tasks ranging from gardening to simple farming jobs, with the ability to do more by attaching various implements such as front loaders or backhoes. Tractors are typically designed with powerful engines to run over rough terrain and pull extremely heavy loads, making them effective in tough farming or landscape tasks. Modern tractors also come with cast iron front axles for extra strength and durability. Modern tractors feature power shift transmission and hydrostatic transmissions to simplify operation, while these tractors are also provided with power steering to make turning much easier. Advanced models help reduce operator fatigue with exclusive shift controls and an automatically responsive transmission. A tractor is an integral farming vehicle that mechanizes common agricultural tasks like tillage, plowing and planting in fields. Moreover, modern variants can handle an array of tasks including landscape maintenance, spreading or moving fertilizers, and performing routine lawn care as well. Considering the usability of tractors, having the best one turns out to be of utmost importance for the farmers. You must be willing to spend a little more money upfront, and this should end up saving you money in the future. However, if you are still not sure with the idea of purchasing a tractor and are wondering how beneficial it can be for modern agriculture and farming, then this article is just for you. It explains in detail the key benefits of using a high-performing tractor and the difference that it can create in your farming outcomes and results. Thanks for watching. Until next time.